Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I am back with a third unboxing video of a pretty cool alarm, and I can't wait to show you all guys. So without further ado, let's unbox the alarm. I really need to buy a tripod. I mean, I was buying some stuff last night off of eBay, and I didn't even come to mind of an iPad tripod. Let's go ahead and set that down quickly. I mean, the reason why I'm recording on my iPad is because the iPad is better when it comes to sounding my alarms, because on my phone, the microphone is so sensitive, which is why I use my iPad for system tests and etc. But here it is, and it's in a bag, which is surprising. Here it is. Just this is a Pyrotronics Pyr-A-Larm BDC-1024. This is really cool. And I love that sound. But yeah, I can wire it up for you quickly. Just move this box out of the way. This is my fourth 10-inch bell in my collection. And I have one more alarm on the way. And after that unboxing video, I'm going to do a video of my entire fire alarm collection, which I'm assuming you all will like. So there we go. I'm just gonna put my two wires together quickly. My iPad doesn't have a pause button, which is a little unfortunate, but it is what it is, and it's fine. So there's wire one, nice and tight, and it's just 2-wire, by the way. I mean, design-wise, this is identical to my Faraday 4060, which you'll see in the collection video. It's just that this is 2-wire, the Faraday bell's 4-wire, and it's beige. So, alright, all wired. I have my hearing protection on. And here we go, let's give it a short blast. Okay, so it seems like the mechanism isn't tight or something, but I can fix it after this video. Whoops. But yeah, I can fix it. Or maybe it has to be upright. I'm not totally sure. I'll explain if it rings or not upright in the description. But that'll do for this video. Overall, I really like this bell and its sticker design. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.